Okay, so here's how you can change the calling cards in Black Ops 6. First, we want to take a look what challenges we need to complete to get a calling card. Click on these squares on the top, then on challenges, and now on the left side we have here calling cards. Click on one and now you can see the progress. Completed, get 10 kills while sliding sideways or backwards. And all the other ones, then go all the way back, go to barracks and click on customize. On customize, click on profile, then 6 different options appear again, and the second one is calling card showcase. Click on it and now you can see your 3 displayed calling cards. Click on one to change it and select the new one. Then go back and select the other ones. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.